Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Again, we have here another comparison review of two of the most popular and affordable smartwatch in the market. We have the number one DT99 Smartwatch 2024 version. Please take note there is a DT99 Smartwatch model, but it is a circular version. Okay, think it was released several years ago. This one is 2024. And we have here the Colmi P71 Smartwatch, just released at the end, okay, fourth quarter of 2023. Okay, so let's compare the two wearables and see if which is better in terms of design and menus and features offered on each smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Okay, let's start. Let's compare the smartwatches. Again, we have here from DT number 1 and we have a smartwatch from Colmi. When it comes to packaging, it is very obvious the DT99 smartwatch, okay, do have a much better, okay, packaging here. It's more elegant compared to the P71. As I have said before, the packaging for P71 is almost the same with other wearables, okay, that they offer. Simple box here, but doesn't mean that the smartwatch is no good. Okay, it is also amazing. It has a lot of features. So we have here the menus and features for the P71. We also have here the specs. Okay, so let's check on the design of the wearable. If you want a detailed review of each smartwatch, you can check our previous video. Again, this is our DT99 and the P71. Okay, in terms of design, obviously the DT99 do have a much more elegant look with its metal body frame with brush finish, while for the P71 we do have a PC material. Simple. Okay, so let's have it here. Let's have a closer look side by side. Okay, the button is located here on the center for the DT99, while for the P71 it's on the upper part, and it has a much smaller body frame. Okay, very slim for the DT99. The P71 will have a much thicker body frame at the back. Okay, wireless charger for the DT99. We do have here a pogo pin, but both do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Okay, I guess for the design, it is a win for the DT99 smartwatch. Okay, which do you think is much better? Okay, drop a comment below. Okay, so when it comes to UI, let's see. So we have here the quick menu or quick settings. Both do have a full brightness display. On the bottom part, we have the menu here, while for the P71 we have the push notifications. Okay, on the left side we have the quick release pin, or quick access menu, okay, or split screen, while for the P71 we have the different menus. On the right side we have the main features here, the same options. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's go with the menu. Access the menu here. Let's access for P71. Okay, both do have a Bluetooth phone call. As you can see here, they also have a very good icons here and crisp text. Okay, sports record, we also have it here. Fitness data for the sports, let's check. Okay, so both do have, I think both smartwatch do have 100 plus sports function. They both have a very comprehensive list of sports function. Okay, categorized into different or arranged into different categories. Okay, going back, we have HR here, telephone. Okay, we have telephone, stopwatch here, weather. They almost offer the same features here. Also have blood pressure here on the P71. We also have it here, I think. Yes, we also have it here on the DT99. We have sleep monitoring, calculator. Again, the screen display for the DT99 is AMOLED, but for the P71 we have an IPS LCD screen. But still, it is a good screen display. Okay, compass, alarm, female health, settings. We also have here an app store. Preferences, dial switch, QR code, password, okay, factory reset. They almost offer the same features here, I think. And they both have very good, okay, text here and icons. Okay, so we have a compass here for the DT99. We don't have it here for the P71. Okay, this is very useful, especially for the outdoor, okay, activities. Sleep monitoring. Let's see the heart rate here. Where's our health? Okay, menu style. Can't find out. Yes, we have it here, the health. HR. Where's our heart rate? We have here the heart rate. Okay, and back. Okay, let's check the menu options here. Okay, settings, language, dial switch, preferences. We have it theme, so we have here the different menu options, menu style. Okay, we have at least 8 for the DT99, while we have 6 for the P71. Come back. So as you can see here, the DT99 do offer a lot more features compared to P71. But still, P71, it is a good smartwatch, lightweight, wearable. Telephone, both do have a Bluetooth call. We have a weather here, alarm, Zen mode. Okay. So which do you think is better when it comes to offered features? I think DT99 do have a much better menus and features. Okay. We also have here lady assistant and female health. Settings, again, going back. They almost offer the same features here. Okay. The good thing about the DT99 is that we do have a ringtone settings. Okay, let's see if we do have it here. So we don't have it here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's make sure if we have it here on our P71. Sound. No, we don't have it here. Only on and off. Message, time format, ringtone. Yes, we have it also. We also have it here. Okay. They almost offer the same features, I think. Except for the sports. Okay. Or the compass, I mean. You have a compass support for the DT99. And you can download additional app with its Wear Pro application. Okay. But so far, both smartwatches do have a sporty design, beautiful looking smartwatch, and very affordable, and with a good support app. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, just drop a comment below, and We will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.